guys, did you just get that negative feedback on eBay and you're trying to figure out what the heck am I gonna do?
Feedback is so important for eBay sellers. So we're gonna go through how the heck to get that negative feedback removed if it was undeserved.
That's right, guys. We're Rob and Melissa. We've been selling on eBay for over 20 years, and we've been teaching other people how to do it for the last 5 years. So check it out. We've had our fair share of negative feedback throughout the years, and we know how to get it taken off if it is undeserved. If you guys are doing everything by the book that you're supposed to do, and somebody gives you that negative feedback, you don't have to put up with it. You don't have to keep it on your record. You can get it taken off. We're going to walk you through the steps on what to do.
Yeah, there's sometimes that people will give negative feedback just like attacking your character.
Retaliation, they're upset about something.
Yeah, right. And
Yeah, there's many reasons why they can do it, but if it's undeserved, if you're doing everything properly, you should not have to stand for it. You should not have to have that on your record, which you don't. That's why you're watching this video. We want to teach you guys how to do it. So
how do you do it?
That's right. You guys might be wondering what to do. Check it out. You have to get on the phone with eBay. You can send as many emails as you want. You cannot get anything done through emails. It will not happen. You have to get on the phone. You guys, right now, we're in the middle of the COVID crisis, whatever you want to call it, pandemic. And just recently, eBay, you could not get them on the phone. Now you can.
But you can, and we'll link to the video below. We take you through how to do that in your eBay back office. So you can do it now. And they actually get on the phone pretty quickly. Usually you can get a hold of them within 10 to 20 minutes.
That's right.
Yeah,
and you can't call them directly.
Yeah.
You used to be able to call them directly. You cannot do that. Now you have to actually put a message into them. They'll call you back.
They'll call you, but it's usually pretty quick now. It wasn't in the beginning, but now they get back with you.
And that's it. And this has to be undeserved. It can't be, you couldn't have sold somebody something, you didn't ship it, and they gave you negative feedback. You can't do something crazy like that. But if somebody legitly gave you negative feedback because they got an item and they didn't think it was in the condition that you said it was in, but you clearly state in the description what kind of condition it's in, listen, you guys can get feedback taken off. You just have to call eBay. Have them call you. You have to get on the phone with a rep. And sometimes the reps won't do it for you. Get to the feedback department. They have an actual feedback department.
Ask for the feedback department.
That's right.
It's really important.
That's it. Get to that department. If you can't do something with a rep, ask for a supervisor. Get a supervisor on the phone and do it. And guys, don't be surprised. It might take you 1, 2, 3 tries to do it. Actually hanging up the phone and then calling back and getting it done. Sometimes you do not get the best reps on the phone. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you get it the first time around. And they'll be able to remove it. But we have done this for years and years and years, and we have had negative feedback in the past, and we've been able to get it removed. But like I said, it's when you're a legit seller. We don't sell thousands and thousands of items on eBay. Our model is to sell very few items at high profits. That's what we teach people how to do, but we do that so we don't have thousands and thousands of feedback. We're still in like 400 to 500 feedback with our transactions, but at the same time, dealing with some people, we have had negative feedback come through, and we figured out how to get it taken off, and it is 100% possible to get it taken off if you're legitly doing everything by the book.
Typically, it tends to be like they didn't read the full description of the item, and they want to return the item, and we don't accept returns, but that's their fault for not wanting to.
Exactly.
Or just wanting to get, or not reading the whole description, so that doesn't have to fall on you. And if you do decide not to accept the return, they should not be able to leave you negative feedback.
Because of your terms and conditions already clearly state that.
Example. So
there's lots of reasons why it can happen, guys. Each case is dependent on what it is. Exactly.
So.
But even whatever the reason is, I still would get eBay on the phone, talk to them, tell them your side of the story, because you're also only able to use so many characters for a response to a feedback. I would get eBay on the phone and tell them what's going on, tell them your side, try to get them to side with you and remove it. Some people think once you get a negative feedback, you're screwed, you can't do anything with it. No, that's not the case. If it's undeserved, if it's unlegit, guys, you don't have to deal with it. Call eBay up, they will remove it for you. So
call them a couple times if you need to.
That's it. You just got to keep to it. You got to keep on it, and you got to do it. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you guys like it, please like the video, subscribe. You guys, we love doing these kind of videos, giving you guys tips. We've been in the business for a long time. We love doing this day in and day out. So please show us a little love if you got time.
Thanks so much.
You guys rock. Have a great day.
Bye.
See ya.